Okay, you guys, so we're gonna make some Father's Day gift bags. So I'm gonna definitely put my heat press. When it is green, it is just gonna tell us, hey, Susie, I'm done. I'll be using these bags that you know I love to use. You guys, these bags are amazing. If you get your hands on them, pick them up from the dollar store. They are two for $1, and these are the 9x7 because a lot of you guys have been asking me. These are going to be great for Father's Day. And I'm just waiting for my machine to heat up. That's it. Okay, so while that's heating up, I'm going to cut these bags open. And I need 3. These are gonna be like for my brother-in-laws, like as side gifts, you know. And then I'll fill them. I'll do a video putting them up. If I don't fill them up in this video, I'll make one to show you how I filled them up. You saw how that just made a little noise? That means because it's green and it's ready to go. I have my parchment paper as well as my mat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this with you. So I picked up 3 colors. The first one is this beautiful blue. So all we're gonna do is grab a corner. These are already made. And that's it. We're gonna pull it from here. And then it's just gonna show you the design as we pull it. Okay? So then I'm gonna pull the next one. Just wanna be able to see it. And I'm gonna do this for you guys. You see that? I'm gonna, if I put my head in it, and then too bad I put my head. Once you just get it, it comes off like butter. I'm trying to see the other one. Okay. So there you go. That's the final look. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? So I decided to do it in 3 different colors. So I'm going to do that and the blue as well. Just to show you that you can obviously use 3 different colors if you need to. Okay, so let's do the rest. So what would you put in your little bag? You could put anything. You could even put his initials. You could put his birthday. You could put the day, the year. You can do so many things with this. You just have to be able to make them. I'll show you right now. So let's see how the black one looks. That's nice. This looks like it's for like an office, like a business. Let's see how this blue one's gonna look. It's super sticky, so you have to take it out. If you have to, use your hands. Okay. But once you have it, it just comes off. It's just getting it, that's it. And then just the middle piece, I have to lift it so I can see it. Okay, let me throw all this away. Make sure you always have a little garbage bag right next to you when you're working on your station. That's how I do it. And let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put don't put them on top of each other, you guys. That's be the biggest mistake you can make. I'm using parchment paper. I have this at my Amazon front store as well. So we're gonna put it right here. Okay, and I'm gonna use this nice blue one first. So the thing with this is I don't want you putting the design too high, because when you close it, it's gonna like crinkle it. I need it like more on the bottom. Trust me, it's gonna, when you close it up, it's gonna actually show the design really pretty. So you don't have to worry about it being a too top, too bottom. So we're gonna heat press that at 30. Okay, you're gonna turn it around and you're gonna do 15. Okay, we're gonna leave it to dry like so. We're gonna move on to the next one. Now you can write so many things on these bags. I thought it would look more professional if I just did the initial step. I really liked how the black one came out. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it because it's black, but let me tell you, it is so pretty and it looks sophisticated. It looks like it would be for like a business, like you can sell these. I'm gonna heat press the back. And we're gonna move on to the next one. I'm gonna put the parchment paper in the middle. And we're gonna do this light blue. So there you go. I am giving you a couple of different colors, different options. Turn it around. We're gonna heat press it 15. A lot of you guys are like, why do you do that? Because that's what it tells you to do. So we're gonna do what it tells us to do, because we wanna make sure that the design stays on there and it doesn't go anywhere. Once it is cool to the touch, you're gonna lift it and it's gonna be adorable. And I'm gonna just set it really fast. And by setting it, that means I'm just gonna give it a quick, that's it. Nothing major, a quick little heat on there just to preset to make sure it is done. I'm gonna lift the next one. Oh, you saw that? You saw how that lifted? So when that happens, don't panic. We're just gonna put it back on. Like so. Okay, you're gonna do that when that happens, and you're gonna press it again. That's it. You saw? Okay, we're gonna press it again. Nothing major. You're gonna bring it back and you're gonna press it again. If you don't like the way it looks, go ahead and do another bag. That's simple. With these things, you never could tell. See how this one is kind of lifting as well? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it again. That's it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the back as well again. See, that's what you have to do, the rules, because you never know. Okay? So let's see if this one comes out. If not, we throw it away and we do a new one. I did make an extra one, so I am okay with that as well. Now I'm scared. It's a bit cold to the touch. We're just gonna wait a couple more minutes. So this one came out pretty good though. So let's just wait a couple more minutes, you guys. And let's see how this goes. And this one is ready to go. So I'm happy with that one. I'm not gonna make a new bag. I am gonna set it though. So that doesn't move anywhere. So let's see this one. And this one came out perfect as well. See? So don't panic. Just set it again. And I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna let that dry. And that's it. That was easy. Now you have a wonderful Father's Day goodie bags. Go ahead and let me know which one you would like. You cannot tell that one went bad. Like, you could hardly tell. So either way, it's just a little goodie bag. They're probably going to grab the gift card or the money and then throw it away. So at least I went out of my way and I made a little bag. And let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Which one is your favorite color? Let me put them here. I'm really loving the black one though. Like, if I had to do one again, I think I would just do the black, all black. But let me know. Happy Father's Day, guys. And until next time, bye, you guys.